In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a video and find it in your history. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along without missing a beat. Start by heading to the Create a Video tab. This is where you'll build your idea into a finished clip. In the prompt area, write out exactly what you want your video to include. Be as descriptive as you can. Include the tone, the key points, and any must-have visuals or themes. The clearer your instructions, the better the result. Take a quick moment to proofread your prompt. Little tweaks here can save time later. When you're happy with your prompt, click Generate Video. That single click kicks off the rendering process. Don't worry if nothing seems to happen immediately. Behind the scenes, the system is processing your request, assembling scenes, and applying your instructions. This part can take a while, and the time varies based on how detailed your prompt is and how busy the system is. While you wait, it's best not to refresh the page or close the tab. Keeping the window open helps ensure the process continues smoothly. If you're multitasking, just let it run in the background. Once the video has finished generating, you don't need to hunt around in the same tab. Simply head back to the Home tab. There, look for the History section. This is your central place for tracking what you've made. You'll see your newly generated video listed, and it will be saved as a draft. Seeing it labeled as a draft is totally normal. It just means the video is stored safely and ready for you to review later. If it doesn't appear instantly, give it a moment to sync. Large projects sometimes take a few extra seconds to show up. Using history is also a great way to keep your workflow organized. You can quickly confirm that your generation completed and know exactly where your work lives. If you plan to come back to it later, there's nothing else you need to do right now. Your draft will stay put, ready for your next session. That's the full process. Write your prompt in the Create a Video tab, click Generate Video, wait while it renders, then return to Home and find it in History as a draft. Keep your prompts clear, be patient during generation, and use your history as your reliable record. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you move from idea to draft with confidence.